Nerd alert. So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about Minimalist polyhydroxy acid 3% face toner. What are the different ingredients present in it and is it worth purchasing this product? Well, this polyhydroxy face toner is very similar to glycolic acid face toner from the ordinary. But the only interesting ingredient here is the polyhydroxy acid. As compared to the glycolic acid face toner, it is 7%, but this is 3%. Polyhydroxy acid is one of the type of the exfoliant that can be used for sensitive skin or else very irritated skin. So it sits on the top layer. LHA, that is lipohydroxy acid and polyhydroxy acids, are very new to the today's world. They have just been introduced to the dermatology and in this recent decade. So it's very new for the formulations. We know a lot about the alpha hydroxy acid, the beta hydroxy acid, but now polyhydroxy acid and lipohydroxy acid are something that is taking a huge interest for the scientists. This product claims that it can tighten the pores, exfoliate, hydrate, and rebalance the skin microbiome. So our skin does harbor a different types of bacteria, okay? And it's on the top layer. So if there is like bad bacteria that is increasing, so it can clog the pores, it can lead to inflammation on the skin, that can lead to different skin problems. But when it says that it restores the skin microbiome, that is definite that there is some probiotic ferment going on in this formulation that is bringing back that healthy skin microbe. As I said, it's written here that there is prebiotics and probiotics to balance the skin microbiome to accelerate the recovery of the skin barrier function. So when it's pro and prebiotics together added, this is called a symbiotic relationship, and in which like the probiotics are getting benefits from the prebiotics and prebiotics are helping the good bacteria to harbor on the skin. Before I get into the ingredient list now, let me introduce myself. My name is avee.megur, also known as Avee, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. I make skincare related videos, blogs, and art videos. If you like these videos, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. Please do follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. It helps me as an influencer as well as a YouTuber to grow. Now looking at the ingredient list, the first one is aqua, then it is gluconolactone. Now this is the polyhydroxy acid that I'm talking about. Polyhydroxy acids are well studied for the exfoliation of the dry skin types. It can be well tolerated by sensitive skin, but in the lesser percentage. Here it is 3%, which is very small amount to even work with, and that's really excellent because high amount of acidic content on the skin can even disrupt the pH balance of the skin, and that can even trigger the skin and that can lead to redness. The third ingredient here is niacinamide, which is less than 5%, which is really good because it's the adequate amount of concentration to work with the skin types. The niacinamide just boosts the effect of the overall toner as it helps and targets the enlarged pores. It helps with the reduction of fine lines. It helps with the hydration of the skin. I do see that there is lactococcus ferment lysate, saccharide isomerate, then there is cucumber fruit extract, and there are different natural moisturizing factor metabolites. That is the lysine, histidine, arginine, and the serine. These all are like helping with the humectant properties, and usually when added to the skin, they bring back that healthy skin barrier. I did even see that there is salicylic acid, so it should be like polyhydroxy acid and beta hydroxy acid, as salicylic acid is in very little percentage. So it also helps with the exfoliation. It helps with cleaning the pores. So the main target of this formulation was to promote the polyhydroxy acid, and yes, it is in a higher percentage, but salicylic acid is at a very lower percentage, I think less than 1%, in very small amount, which can also be tolerated by sensitive skin type. The best thing about this formulation is the multibiotics. Here the lactococcus ferment lysate, it is produced by the lactococcus bacteria. Now lactococcus bacteria are falling into the category of probiotics. Probiotics are microorganisms which when administered in adequate amount confirms health benefit. Now lactococcus is one of the bacteria. It is in round shape. It's not like bacilli like a rod shape, so it's a round shaped bacteria. they produce different metabolites that is essential for bringing back this healthy skin barrier. Lactococcus and lactobacillus, the probiotics, they produce numerous metabolites that can be taken up by the skin cells that can promote the skin turnover and that can bring like new skin cells to the top layer of the skin. There are numerous studies going on, but probiotics is a whole new topic to talk about. The cucumber fruit extract is something that promotes the antioxidant properties, removing of the free radicals. It's a toner. Usually I don't use acids as toner. It's my personal choice, and it is just because if I have a sensitive skin, I would rather apply it, leave it for like 10 minutes and then wash it off rather than using it as a toner. There are numerous amazing toners out there, and I don't really like using acids as toner. I can just, apply it on my skin, leave it for 10 minutes and then wash it off. This is how you can get the best benefits. Like leaving it on and then going out not wearing a sunscreen, that can be a different whole problem. This is just my suggestion that you should use the face acids more like acids, not as a toner, as you never know how your skin might react if you leave it more than 10 minutes. If you have seen most of the formulation with acids tell you to leave this product on for 10 minutes and then washing it off, this is the same that you have to do with the polyhydroxy acid. I'm saying the formulation is good, but you have to just leave it for 10 minutes, not to let it sit on the skin for more than 10 minutes. So the next question is, who all can use this? If you have dry skin and you are having sensitive skin, then you can use this product. Even if you're skin of color or Caucasian skin, it's totally fine. If your skin reacts to any other product or the ingredient that you are wearing, please stop using it, because this is how you have to do the first patch test and see how your skin is reacting to any of the product. But this formulation in general is quite light. So if you have very sensitive skin and it reacts to every ingredient that you apply, then I would suggest you to keep it for 10 minutes and then wash it off, as it's acid. Overall, in conclusion, I really like this formulation as it's very straightforward as The Ordinary, but they have their own innovative products, and I like that they're to the point. They don't have any comedogenic ingredient, and they also don't have any fragrance into their formulation, which makes it stand out from the rest. And it's very affordable. It's around 400 Indian rupees, which is like easy to purchase. You can purchase it from Nykaa, Amazon. I have mentioned the link in the description below. Please do check it out if you really want to try it on your face. So yeah, this was my honest opinion about this formulation, and I do think that the polyhydroxy acid should be in the picture, as there is not enough study on polyhydroxy acid, and they are really good, better than actually BHA and AHA, because AHA, BHA cannot be well tolerated by all skin type. But this acids really do a good job. So I give it a thumbs up for this formulation, but you have to make sure that you just keep it for 10 minutes, not more than that, because it might cause reaction on the skin because it's a face acid. I give it a thumbs up for this formulation, and I would recommend it to everyone. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you soon in another one. Take care and bye.